Guys, welcome to day 8 of the 12 days of eyeshadow palette series on my channel. Now, for today's eyeshadow palette, I think I got it at Walmart too, like the last video. This is the Loreal nude palette. So if you want to see how I create this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start doing my brows. Now I'm going to take my Morphe 158 brush. I'm just going to brush up the hairs first. And then I'm going to take my LA Girl Brow Pomade in the color Soft Brown. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line in the middle of the eyebrow. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the spoolie and just blend the pomade. And then I'm going to go back over any parts where it needs to be filled in a little bit more. Okay, let's do the same thing to the other eye. The other eyebrow. Okay, now we can start doing the eyes. Now I'm going to first prime the eyes using my Burts Bees eyeshadow primer. I'm going to take my CoverGirl Plus LA Simply Ageless Foundation, and I'm going to apply this on the eyes. And then blend it in with my finger. So I'm first going to start with, let's see, this shade of this palette. I'm going to apply this into the crease. Same thing to the other eye. I'm going to use my Sephora blending brush just to blend the edges of this shade. Then I'm going to take my e.l.f. crease brush and I'm going to apply this shade kind of like right underneath the shade that we just applied. Then I'm going to take this brown shade, and I'm going to use this same brush that I used before for the first shade, and I'm going to put this in the outer corner and in the outer crease. And in the inner corner as well. Okay, then with my finger, I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to apply that right in the center. Then you can do is go back into that brown shade and kind of deepen it up a little bit. I'm going to take my Sephora blending brush and just blend those two colors. And I am going to add a little bit more on this side though. Alright, I'll be back with foundation on. Okay, foundation and concealer, foundation and mascara is on. Now I'm going to go into concealer. I'm going to use my QC Makeup Academy concealer palette, and I'm going to go into this shade. I'm going to apply this under the eyes. I think today that's the only place where I want to apply this. Yeah. Actually, it's one spot. There. Okay, now I'm going to blend it in with my finger. Set the concealer with my Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. This is in Classic Ivory. And then I'm going to lightly dust the rest of the face. Apply some bronzer now. This is the Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder. This is in Natural, and I'm going to use my Roll Techniques powder brush. Okay, then I'm going to go into my LA Girl Glow palette, and I'm going to use the blush shade in the palette. I'm going to top off the excess. I'm going to use my e.l.f. complexion brush just to blend the blush a little bit. And then you're going to use the highlighting shade in the palette. Then before I apply my lipstick, I like to do, liquid lipstick, I like to kind of exfoliate my lips and moisturize them. So I'm going to go in with my Eos Lip Balm. This is in the color Champagne Pop, color. I'm going to apply this first. And then I'm going to take a hand towel, and I'm just going to exfoliate my lips with this. Finish off the look, I'm going to spray my NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!